Hey guys, I'm here with the WORKPRO tool set here, and this is the first time using any of the actual items in it. Just got it unboxed and put away into the bag, and I can say these tools are really nice and high quality for the price. I mean, this is really great value in my opinion, and it's the perfect tool set just to have around the house. So I'm just putting this other item that I bought. It's a sprayer for the yard, and it just needed the handle attached here. So I just wanted to kind of show the tool set actually in use. It's so convenient because we actually had the tools we needed without going out into my shed and searching through 50 different toolboxes, because I need to organize my tools better. So it's really nice to have these just handy right here. And we're going to keep these in the laundry room right above the washer and dryer is the plan, and no one is to ever take these tools anywhere except to go use them and put them back in that bag in its entirety. So that was one of the rules we talked about, is take the whole bag, not a tool. Because if you do that, then you're most likely going to put them away and they'll stay accessible. So anyways, as you can see, this tool set was perfect for this little job, and now the handle to my sprayer is attached. Awesome.